Hey Josh, so the summary that I can best give you of your homework is that this is slope-intercept form means just changing an equation to look like this format right here, like y equals, so alone, y has no coefficient, y has nothing in front of it, equals mx plus, I have plus or minus, but you usually just see it as plus. But it can be, a number can be subtracted right here too. One of the biggest mistakes people always make is thinking that this number has to be plus, but it can also be minus. So we're gonna change each one. I'm gonna just show you a video of how to do the first one, and then you can probably work out the rest by yourself. It's actually super easy, but this is how it goes. So I have 3x minus 2y equals negative 16 for the first one, and I want to do whatever I can to get y by itself with no numbers in front of it. So that's going to be my goal. This is going to be my target right here. So I'm going to take the 3x. I'm going to I need to move it onto this side, right, because x is on the right side of the equal sign here. And as you get more comfortable with this, you'll see that it can be swapped to, like, y can also come to this side. But for now, we'll just leave y here. Anyway, so if this is 3x, and we can assume it to be a positive 3x, then I can do the inverse operation on it to make it 0 on this side. And the law of equality says that I need to do on one side, I need to copy that on the other side. So since I subtracted 3x here, I'm going to subtract 3x from this side. And now it's starting to look a little bit more like this format. I just need to focus on getting y alone. So I'm going to divide, because this negative 2y here means negative 2 times whatever y is. So if I divide by negative 2, then I'll have y by itself, because negative 2 divided by negative 2 will cancel out to give me 1. And whatever I do on one side, I have to do on the other side as well. So I'm going to do negative 16 divided by negative 2, negative 3 divided by negative 2. So I'm going to have y equals negative 16 divided by negative 2 is 8. Negative 3 divided by negative 2 is positive 1.5 x. So that would be how you would transform this to slope-intercept form. So see how it's kind of a little bit different, but it still basically fits the requirements. I have my y, this is my y-intercept, or the b in the slope-intercept form, and 1.5, which is m, is equal to my slope. So whenever I would go to graph these equations on a coordinate grid, this would be 1.5 would be my slope, and 8 would be my y-intercept, but that's for another time. So I'll give you some hints on these here if you need them, but that is how you would do the other 3 as well. And this is your answer for the first one. Okay, just let me know if you have any questions, or if you want me to finish this off for you in some kind of way.